Paper 3 means Indian society, constitution and governance. So under this, Indian society, structure, issues and social movements. First topic, Indian society, silent features, unity in diversity, family, marriage, kinship, caste, tribe, religion, language, rural-urban continuum, multiculturalism. Second, social exclusion and vulnerable groups, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, backward classes, minorities, women, children, aged and disabled. Third, social issues, poverty, unemployment, child labor, violence against women, regionalism, communalism, secularism, corruption, caste conflict, problems of agricultural labor, urbanization, development and displacement, environmental degradation, sustainable development, population expulsion, agrarian distress, migration. Fourth, social issues in Telangana, Vetti, Jogini, Devadasi system, Giri child, girl child, fluorosis, child labor, migrant labor, child marriages, B. Social movements in Telangana. Fifth topic, social policies and programs in India and Telangana. Policies for women, children, aged and disabled. Policies for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, backward classes and minorities. Environmental policy, population policy, policy on education, policy on health, poverty alleviation, programs, welfare schemes for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, backward classes, women, children, minorities, aged and disabled. Second major topic, Constitution of India. First topic, evaluation of Indian Constitution, role of the drafting committee, constitutional philosophy and preamble, salient features and basic structure, amendments. Second, fundamental rights, nature and scope, expanding horizons of fundamental rights, enforceability against the state and other, welfare state and distributive justice under the Constitution, directive principles of state policy, rule of law and fundamental duties. Third, system of government, parliamentary system, central government, president, prime minister, council of ministers, parliament, powers and functions, state government, governor, chief minister and council of ministers, legislature, powers and functions, legislative privileges. Fourth, judicial system in India, Supreme Court, High Courts and administrative tribunals, subordinate judiciary, judicial review and judicial activism, independency of judiciary and judicial accountability. Fifth, federal system, center-state relations, issues and challenges pertaining to the federal structure, local self-government 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment for sharing of powers, Panchayati Raj and municipal institutions, resolution of interstate disputes with reference to water disputes, challenges of implementation. Third major topic, governance. First one, governance and good governance, e-governance, applications and models, governance at union level, cabinet secretariat, prime minister's office, central secretariat, ministers and departments, constitutional bodies, finance commission, election commission, UPSC, COG, National Human Rights Commission, National Commission for SC, ST, Minority and Women, Parliamentary Committees, Estimate Committees, Public Account Committees, Committee on Public Undertaking. Second, governance at state and district levels, secretariat and directorates and their relationship, district administration, role of collector, institutions of rural and urban governance, powers and functions, systems for delivery of services, cooperatives, State Finance Commission, devaluation of powers and finances, issues and challenges, development corporations for SEs, STs, PCs, minorities and disabled welfare, control over administrative, legislation, executive and judicial control. Third, programs, agencies and institutions working for development of urban and rural areas, people-centered participatory development, poverty alleviation program, women empowerment and inclusive growth, rights related to health, food security and educational issues and challenges. Fourth, debates on development and development process, state and provisions of services, state and market, involvement of civil society, community-based organizations and NGOs, self-help groups, charities and stakeholders, public-private partnership, corporate social responsibility. Fifth, ethics of fifth, ethics and values of administration, morality of civil services, committed bureaucracy, politician and civil servant relationship, citizen charter, gender sensitization, transparency, accountability of administration, prevention of corruption in administration, Central Vigilance Commission, Central Bureau of Investigation, Lokpal, Lokayukta, ACP and consumer protection mechanisms, applications and impact to Right to Information Act 2005, administration reforms. So ఇది థర్డ్ పేపర్లోని మెయిన్ మేజర్ టాపిక్స్.